A $995 carry-on costs less than $60 to manufacture. That markup is not funding better wheels, better zippers, or a better warranty. It is funding an airport logo and the mythology around it. 6 brands are charging you for a promise they quietly buried. Before the list, understand one thing. A luggage warranty is not a perk. It is a confession. When a company prints unconditional lifetime on a tag, it is telling you it built the bag to outlast the claim. When it prints 5 years airline damage excluded, it is telling you something else entirely. It is telling you exactly how long it expects its own product to survive, and exactly which scenario it is not willing to stand behind. The single most common way a suitcase is destroyed is a baggage handler. Not a zipper failure, not a cracked shell, a handler. Read what the warranty excludes before you read the pros. That exclusion is the only honest sentence on the whole label. 4 things to check in any store before you buy. The warranty card, unconditional and lifetime, or limited with exclusions. If the word airline does not appear in the coverage, the warranty is decoration. The wheels, spin them by hand. Sealed Hinomoto or equivalent unit. Smooth rotation, replaceable. Housing, or fixed plastic with a wobble. The wheels fail first, always. The zipper pull, YKK stamped on the pull, or blank metal. Blank zippers split at the seam, not immediately. 18 months in, when the receipt is gone. The handle at full extension. Pull it all the way out. Shake it side to side at the base. Any movement? That movement doubles every flight. What wobbles in the store fails at the carousel. The 6 brands. 1. Samsonite. Samsonite markets itself as the world's largest luggage company. That is accurate. It is also the problem. Samsonite is not a brand. It is a conglomerate. Publicly traded on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. It owns Tumi, American Tourister, Hartmann, Lippalt, High Sierra, and Gregory. 6 labels, 1 boardroom, 1 shared supplier network, pricing the same core engineering from $60 to $1,000. According to Samsonite's 2023 annual report, the company recorded net sales of $3.97 billion. Gross margin 57.8%. That margin is not being built by superior materials. It is being built by brand stratification, charging different prices for bags that share sourcing, share wheel suppliers, share zipper contracts, and share a design language quietly drifting between labels. The Winfield 3 polycarbonate spinner retails at $179.99. The shell flexes and recovers. Honest value at that price point. The warranty does not match the ambition. 10 years on most lines. Excluded across the portfolio. The single force most likely to destroy your bag is excluded from coverage on every label this company sells. That is not a warranty gap. That is a policy. You are not buying a bag from a luggage company. You are buying one label off a corporate shelf, where every tag answers to the same room. Number 2. Delsey markets itself as a French heritage brand, founded in Paris in 1946. The Eiffel Tower Association is doing real work in the checkout aisle. Here is what the boutique does not tell you. Delsey bags are manufactured in China. The polycarbonate shells are standard spec. No proprietary weave, no branded material technology. Zippers on the mid-range Chatelet and Helium lines are not YKK. They are unbranded. The warranty runs 2 years on most lines, 5 on selected premium lines. Airline damage excluded. The Shadow 5.0 spinner carry-on retails at $329.99. For that price, the mid-range Travel Pro Platinum Elite, built to crew abuse specification, Magnatrack sealed wheels, YKK zippers, runs $329 and covers airline damage for the life of the bag. Travel forums document 2 recurring failure points across multiple Delsey product generations. Telescoping handle wobble, appearing within 12 to 18 months of regular use. And wheel housing cracks on checked bags after airline handling. Wheel housing cracks on airline-handled bags, with airline damage excluded from warranty. The verdict: you are paying a French name premium on a Chinese-manufactured bag, with a warranty that fails exactly where the bag does. Number 3. Victorinox has made knives in Ibach, Switzerland since 1884. That heritage is documented. That heritage is earned. The Luggage line is a different business entirely. The Spectra 3.0 carry-on spinner retails at $550. The Works Traveler 6.0 runs $450. The warranty, 2 years. Airline damage, not covered. Victorinox is not a luggage company. It is a cutlery and tool company that extended into luggage. The R&D infrastructure, the repair network, the field iteration that comes from decades of crew abuse, none of that exists here. It exists at brands built around the bag from day one, in 1989, in 1993. The polycarbonate shell on the Spectra uses a standard injection molded structure. No branded frame technology. No proprietary wheel system. The telescoping handle is multi-stop with a locking mechanism. Functional, not engineered beyond the standard. At $550, Briggs & Riley's baseline carry-on covers every functional failure unconditionally, for life, including airline damage without a receipt. Victorinox gives you 2 years and a knife reputation applied to a product category where it has no particular depth. You are paying for Swiss Army brand equity. The knife earned it. The Suitcase is borrowing it. Number 4. Tumi. Here is the number that matters most. Tumi's Alpha International carry-on retails at $995. It carried an unconditional lifetime warranty until 2004. In 2004, Doughty Hanson & Co., a London-based private equity firm, acquired Tumi for $276 million. The unconditional lifetime warranty was eliminated the same year. Cut to 5 years. No public announcement. The price continued climbing. The promise did not come back. In 2016, Samsonite acquired Tumi for $1.8 billion. Today, the warranty covers 5 years on bags, 2 years on wallets and accessories, and airline damage for the first 12 months only. The FXT ballistic nylon is proprietary, a high denier yarn woven to resist abrasion. That part is documented and real. Tumi more or less invented the rolling business case. The construction heritage is legitimate. The problem is the math in 2026. Sealed Japanese Hinomoto wheels, the same spec used on $300 bags, are standard on bags at a third of the price. The warranty on a $995 Tumi is shorter than the one buyers had on a $300 Tumi in 2003. The gap between Tumi's engineering and a well-built $300 bag closed years ago. The price never followed. You are paying $995 for what a $300 bag now does, plus a monogram and what the bag communicates at the carousel. That is a legitimate thing to want. Number 5. Away Away launched in 2015. Direct-to-consumer, Instagram first. The millennial pastel shell became a terminal fixture within 2 years. The carry-on retails between $275 and $325. Polycarbonate shell, manufactured in China. No proprietary material technology. Standard dual spinner wheels, not sealed Hinomoto units. Unbranded zipper pulls on the base model. The markup is not funding engineering, it is funding the feed. 2 documented problems. First, the field record. Owner-reported wheel failures and telescoping handle wobble appear consistently across travel forums and verified purchase reviews spanning multiple product years. Handle wobble is where bags go first. Second, in 2019, The Verge published an investigation into Away's internal workplace culture under CEO Steph Corey. Corey stepped down briefly. Brand trust did not fully recover. Away overhauled its warranty in 2026 to include transit damage. The improvement is noted, but the warranty was never the primary problem. The resale market states the case plainly. A used Away loses approximately 50% of its retail value immediately upon resale. Poshmark and eBay listings confirm this across hundreds of transactions. The value was the marketing. Marketing does not transfer to the second owner. You are not buying a travel tool. You are buying the campaign that surrounds it. 6. Rimowa. Two numbers, side by side. A Rimowa Original Cabin Carry-On retails at $1,025. A Briggs & Riley Baseline Carry-On retails at $599. Both aluminum-adjacent premium carry-ons. One has an unconditional lifetime warranty covering airline damage. The other does not. LVMH acquired approximately 80% of Rimowa in January 2017 for a reported €640 million. After the acquisition, Rimowa eliminated its previous lifetime warranty. It has since reinstated a lifetime guarantee. Read the exclusion before the headline. The lifetime guarantee does not cover transport damage. It does not cover the airline. The grooved aluminum magnesium alloy shell is riveted, substantial, and genuinely constructed. The heritage goes back to Richard Morzek's workshop in Cologne in 1898. That provenance is real. The trade-off is also real. Aluminum dents where polycarbonate flexes and recovers. A dented Rimowa panel is not a warranty claim. It is a specialist repair or a shell replacement. Starting A. You are paying $1,025 for a lifetime warranty with a hole in it exactly the size of every baggage handler on earth. The shell is real. The multiplier on top of it is the name. That is not craftsmanship pricing. That is provenance pricing. If this is changing how you look at price tags, subscribe. Every week, this channel reads the spec, not the label. Now, 3 brands that never broke the promise. The 3 you can trust. 3. Eagle Creek, founded in Santa Barbara, California in 1975. Adventure travel pioneer. The first brand to systematically popularize the packing cube. The organizational system every traveler copies now. In June 2021, VF Corporation, the parent that owned Eagle Creek, announced it was shutting the brand down. Pandemic travel collapse. The brand no longer made financial sense. Eagle Creek was weeks from permanent closure. In September 2021, Travis Campbell, VF's own former president of emerging brands, purchased Eagle Creek independently. He revived it under new independent ownership. Eagle Creek 3.0. The no matter what warranty came back with it. Unconditional, lifetime, full force. Independent ownership means no conglomerate above it, running numbers on the coverage. This is not unbroken heritage. The brand died. It came back under someone who believed in the product enough to buy it from a company that didn't. Now consider the direction of travel. Tumi got acquired and walked its warranty back. Rimowa got acquired and excluded the airline. Eagle Creek got shut down, went independent, and made the warranty stronger. One direction faces the customer. The other faces the shareholder. The Adventure Rolling Carry-On retails at $279.95. The Migrate Rolling Duffel at $239.95. Unconditional lifetime coverage on both. The verdict? The bag your father packed in 1985 is back. Under owners who still mean the promise. At number 2 we have Travel Pro, founded in 1989 by Bob Plath, a Northwest Airlines 747 captain who built a better bag at his own workbench because the existing options failed his crew. The rollerboard, the wheeled carry-on you drag through every terminal on Earth, was invented by Bob Plath. That is documented history, not brand mythology. The Platinum Elite line runs the proprietary MagnaTrack wheel system. Internal rare earth magnets self-align each wheel to track straight, instead of drifting across the jet bridge. The mechanism is patented. The frame underneath uses a honeycomb structural insert. that holds shape under a fully packed load without bowing. These are not marketing features. They are engineering responses to specific failure points documented across decades of crew use by people flying 5 days a week. The Platinum Elite 21-inch spinner retails at $329.99. The warranty on Platinum Elite includes the Trusted Companion Promise, a separate clause covering airline and transit damage for the life of the bag. One condition: register the bag within 120 days of purchase. Register it the day it arrives. That one action converts a standard warranty into near unconditional lifetime coverage for $329.99. The cheaper Travel Pro lines do not carry this coverage. The MaxLite 5 runs 1 year. The Crew line runs 3. Buy the Platinum Elite specifically. Register it immediately. Pilot founded, crew tested. The only wheel system with a patent on straight tracking. Number 1. Briggs & Riley, founded in 1993. Independent. Family owned. No conglomerate above it. The warranty is called simple as that. It is an unconditional lifetime guarantee. Any functional defect for the life of the bag, regardless of cause. Wheels, handles, zippers, sliders, including airline damage, including damage that is the owner's fault. No receipt required, no questions asked. Toomey capped the promise at 5 years. Rimowa excludes the airline. Briggs & Riley covers both unconditionally and has done so since 1993, without a private equity firm or luxury house changing the terms. The baseline carry-on retails at $599. Empty weight, 10.2 pounds. Overbuilt by design. The weight is the warranty made physical. The telescoping handle mounts on the exterior of the bag, leaving the interior packing space completely flat. A structural decision that costs more to engineer and saves packing volume on every trip. The CX compression expansion system cinches a packed bag down tight under a patented mechanism, then expands when you need the room. Every wheel, handle, and zipper pull is a replaceable component. Nothing is sealed where it should be serviceable. Condé Nast Traveler readers named Briggs & Riley the #1 luggage brand in the 2025 Reader's Choice Awards. At $599 over a 10-year ownership span with unconditional repair coverage, the effective annual cost is $59.90 per year, before accounting for the repairs a lesser bag would have required at full replacement cost. The baseline carry-on at $599 with an unconditional lifetime warranty including airline damage. The Rimowa at $1,025 with airline damage excluded. Same category, opposite promises. Buy the bag that covers the thing that breaks the bag. 6 brands, 1 pattern. Every warranty that shrank did so after an acquisition. Private equity in 2004. A luxury conglomerate in 2016. A public company aligning costs across a portfolio. The financiers arrived, ran the numbers on the promise, and cut it. The 3 brands above stayed independent. The promise stayed unconditional. A warranty is not a marketing feature. It is a document that tells you exactly how much confidence the manufacturer has in its own product. Read it before you read the price tag. You are not buying a bag. You are buying a company's willingness to stand behind it. Choose accordingly.